Hi, I'm Brian Moore. Welcome to my guitar studio. Today's lesson is going to be on an old French folk song called Sur les Ponts d'Avignon. If my pronunciation is not good, forgive me, I don't speak French very well, but that is a famous folk song. It's very beautiful, and it's one of my favorites. I will play it for you now. Alright, we're going to take a look at our actual score here. For the purpose of reviewing the notes on first string and the notes on second string. The notes on first string happen to be in the middle of this piece, and the notes on second string happen to be in the middle of this piece over here. So we need to know these 6 notes. So we're going to take this out of the piece for a minute. Here's E, open first string, F is first fret, G is third fret, third finger. I want you to use your first finger here and your third finger there. Let's skip over this note and let's go to second string. Second string is B, C, and D, and that's open second string. I'll go ahead and make a little 0 here. First finger on first fret and third finger on third fret. Okay? So let's go to another score. I've got another version of this score here. It's the same score, but I've made some different notes on it. If you look down over here at the end, this note is the only note that is not on first or second string. This is third string G, which is open. So that's the only note you're going to need to play on third string. It's not going to happen again in this part of the piece. That's the only time that piece happens. So over here we have C 3 times, we have D 3 times, and we have E, F, G, which is the notes on first string, which we talked about before. We're going to jump down to C and then play B, C, D, G. So at this point, I would like for us to, we're going to go to my computer and play along with the computer. Okay, we're going to play this with the computer. Here's the score on my computer screen, and the computer will play the song with us, and we can play along with the computer. We will be taking the repeat sign at the end of the piece. I'm going to count you in. 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat. Alright, very good. Let's do it again. I'm going to make it a little bit slower this time. And there's our tempo thing. There we go. 71. That's about where we've been playing it. There we go. We're going to play it at 71. Let's try it again. And I'll count you in. 1, 2, ready, begin. Repeat. Excellent. Let's go on with our lesson now. All right, we're going to take a moment and review the notes on first and second string. Most of the notes in this piece are on those two strings, and with a one note, only one, on third string open. So for the most part, we just need to know the first two strings. And this piece is really good for teaching us the first two strings on the guitar. If you recall, first string open is E, no fingers in the left hand. And then if I press down on first fret, that gives me F. And then if I press down on third fret, that gives me G. Again, E, F, G. Play that with me now. I'll count 1, 2, ready, begin, and come in with me. 1, 2, ready, begin. E, F, G. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, begin. Now let's do the notes on second string. Second string starts with an open B. The first fret on second string is C, and the third fret is D. All right, that's B, C, D. Those are the same frets as the notes we were playing on first string. So play second string with me, starting with the open B. 1, 2, ready, begin. Let's do that again. Ready, begin. Now in the song, right after we get to the D, we're going to play the third string open, okay? So anyway, let's play the first two measures and just see how that goes. There's 3 C's and there's 3 D's, starting at the very first measure. 1, 2, 3, begin. There, let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, begin. All right, that gets us to the end of the second measure. That doesn't seem like very much, but this is not a very long song. And if you look at measures 5 and 6, they are identical to measures 1 and 2. So we know half of the song already. So right after we get through with this, that's when we do our notes on first string. E, F, G, followed by C, B, C, D, G. Let's play through that first line together. Very slowly. 1, 2, ready, begin. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, ready, begin. That gets us through the first half of the song. Let's look at the second half of the song. The only difference, if I started at measure 7, it ends a little bit differently. So that's all we have to do. So we're going to play the second line, which is measures 5 through 8. Very similar to the first line. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, begin. Now I think what we'll do is play the entire song. It's only 8 measures. It does repeat, and we will be repeating. Let's begin with measure 1. I'm not going to go very quickly. Let's set the metronome for this. My metronome is set at 70. That's about the tempo I've been going. We're going to play through the piece twice together. 1, 2, 3, begin. So now that we have reviewed the score and done some work with the computer and learned what the notes are, we're going to play the whole song together. I'm going to use the metronome. I'm going to set it at about 70. We're going to play the whole piece now, and I'm going to take the repeat sign, and we will play the song. We will play the song twice. I will count you in. 1, 2, ready, begin. Very good. Let's do the song again. This time I'm going to play a chordal accompaniment. It's going to sound kind of cool, and see if you can play along with me. We will go at the same tempo, which is 70, and I will be playing the melody and an accompaniment at the same time. So I hope you enjoy this. Try to play along with. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. Alright, this is a simple piece, but it's very beautiful, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this video has helped you to learn it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.